Big up yourself and subscribe to this channel. Watch, like, and share the videos. Oh, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified.
Hail up, Bongo Jerry.
Big up Ras Bongo Jeremiah.
Boy, Ras, long time me no see up on the corner. Oh, you so scarce.
Yo Ras, you know what, so your eye them look redder than usual. It look like you smoke some good sense these days. From me know you, a beer bush weed you smoke.
Me nah lie, from the other day some good sense me a smoke.
That's why we no see you from so long. Yeah, hide the good weed from we.
You know say, it's because me in the morning, make my eye them look redder than usual. Boy, it's beer balling me I do for more day.
Rotted. Never know say you mourn.
Seriously? Is who dead for you?
You know say, my Uncle Percy dead 3 weeks ago.
Elder Ras Percy dead.
Sleep in peace, Ras Percy.
Uncle Percy dead and leave $500,000 for me.
Really? Then you should be happy. You shouldn't be mourning.
So that's why you can't buy a good sense now.
Why? Me belly. Jaja me feel it. Why?
Lego that Ras. You must have the same leave $500,000 for you.
I true that, but last week, Uncle Tabby Lion dead too.
What kind of saltness that I reach you, Ras? 2 uncle dead in a 2 weeks.
Yeah, but Uncle Tabby Lion leave $1 million for me. Why? Me belly. Jaja, why me? Why?
Bongo Jerry, stop the foolishness. You get 1.5 million in a 2 weeks. You should be rejoicing. Shh. Take time talk. Beggy, Peggy, I come.
Ras, me hear say you turn millionaire. Let's have something now.
Peggy, you know say the Rasta mourn. Leave him alone, man.
Alright, me soon circle back then.
Cheer up, Natty.
Yeah, this is time for happiness.
I true that, but you don't understand. I only had 2 uncles. So me not have no more uncle. If they don't leave anything for me. Why? Jaja, me feel it. Why?